Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer rAVe here at InfoComm 2026. And here on our government and defense wall, we also have secured meeting rooms. So we're highlighting one of our HSL products, our HighSecLabs. This is actually a secure video bar isolator. So basically what this does is you can walk into a meeting space and you want to take advantage of the in-room peripherals. Well, for secured meeting rooms, you have to have certifications such as NIAP PP 4.0, a government certified certification there. And if you want to use the video bar, there's stuff like USB ports and audio ports that can frequently get hacked. So this basically blocks that USB data. And then when you want to use the USB video bar, you simply select that button. And as you can see on the laptop and on the screen here, that USB camera is actually now up on the screen. So again, it's just a way to have a secure meeting room. Again, USB devices, audio devices, those sometimes can be hacked in government facilities. So if you want some more information, reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.